Hi, my name is Lito Amper. So today we will going to have a monologue entitled "To the Youth" by Dr. Jose Rizal. This monologue emphasizes Rizal's message of self-reliance, critical thinking, and unwavering commitment to the betterment of one's country. The use of direct address and passionate tone creates a powerful and inspiring message for the youth. So, my young countrymen, I see in your eyes the fire of hope, the spark of ambition, the yearning for a brighter future. But I also see a shadow, a hesitation, a reluctance to embrace the challenges that lie ahead. Let me speak to you, not as a sage, but as a fellow traveler on this path towards progress. The world before you is not a garden of roses. It is a field of battle where the struggles for justice, for freedom, for truth is a constant and arduous undertaking. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of despair. But do not falter. Do not yield to the temptation of apathy or indifference. Your minds are your most potent weapons. Sharpen them with knowledge. Hone them with critical thinking. And wield them with courage and integrity. Do not allow yourselves to be swayed by empty rhetoric or blind obedience. Question everything. Seek the truth and never compromise your values. The path of progress is not paved with ease. It demands sacrifice, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to the cause of justice and freedom. It requires you to stand up for what is right, even when it is unpopular, even when it is dangerous. Remember always the sacrifice of those who came before you, those who fought and died for the ideals you now champion. Their blood has watered the seeds of freedom, and it's now duty to nurture those seeds and bring them to fruition. Do not be afraid to dream big, to aspire greatness, and to strive for a better future for yourselves and for your nation. The Philippines deserves a generation of leaders who are not intelligent and capable, but also compassionate, courageous, and committed to the common good. The future, the future of our nation rests in your hands. Do not squander this precious gift. Rise to the challenge. Embrace your responsibilities and let your actions be a testament to the greatness that lies within you. Let your lives a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Filipino youth. Alright, that's all for today. So, thank you for your listening and goodbye and God bless us all.